Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to switch languages in Windows 11. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. First, right-click the Windows icon on your taskbar and select Settings. Inside Settings, head to Time and Clock on the left-hand side. Next, click Language and Region to open the options. Scroll to Windows Display Language. Check if your preferred tongue is there. If it's missing, hit Add Language. Search for your language, click it, and choose Set as my Windows display language. Then click Install and wait a moment. It'll pop up in the list once done. Pro tip: after installing, restart your PC to make sure the new language sticks perfectly. Pick a widely supported option like Spanish or French if you're testing. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Windows 11 language. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.